workshop. We are officially in the home stretch. We got 2 more projects today, and then we have our finale next weekend on Halloween. The 2 projects I'm going to make today are both landscapes. One of them is going to be a winter landscape called Winter's Paradise, and the second project is where I'm going to get experimental and make the Tesseract. So, let's get started. Alright, for my first project today, I'm going to make Winter's Paradise. I had these tiny little snow trees, fake leaves, fake snow, and also this cabin. And I'm going to make a little scene down below. It's going to be abstract when you put it on the wall. Come up close and you'll start to see the landscape. For my second project today, I am making the Tesseract. Now I have these rubber pieces which, before the show, I started to apply images from magazines on these different sections, and then I'm going to apply it together. The other thing that I'm going to contribute are these figures, which you've seen in previous projects. It's just to give a little extra dimension to this piece. Alright, my double creation round has officially been completed. So out of all my landscapes, the Tesseract is one of my favorites. In terms of the idea, and although I could be a little bit better on the execution, the idea itself and the way it came out was a lot better than what I thought originally. And my second project was fun to make because it kind of reminds me of Christmas. And Christmas, we won't have any episodes during that time, so this is my contribution to that. Alright, what's left is my finale project, which is next week on Halloween. What I have planned is I'm going to paint a haunted house, and then on the side I'm going to make a landscape of that haunted house, using all these different materials that are recyclable and that are just Halloween decorations as well. Cannot wait. We will see you on the next episode.